Here's my dilemma. I just realized that all of my doubts when it comes to being a theater major, being an actor, comes from the fact that I don't really know who or what I am. I have the voice of a 14-year-old boy, but the body of an alien trying to disguise themselves as a 30-year-old human who's really confused and they don't know how to do it. And by that, I mean I have a tail. My skin is actually green. So anyway, that was just like a weird little thought that I had just now in my head. I'm putting on my freckles. See? I do this because I like it. Alright, Steph, what have you ate today? Well, let me tell you. It started off 11:30 or 11:45. I went to Wendy's and got a 4 for $4. So that was my breakfast. And then, like an hour later, I went to Chick-fil-A and got a frosted coffee with cookie bits and a pump of chocolate because the most beautiful girl in the world told me I should get that. So I did. So I tried it and it was really good. And then just now at like 4 o'clock, I had a giant bowl of ramen and I just ate a Snickers. So yeah, I feel like I'm gonna explode. Like violently. Oh, you licked my camera. Oh, and now my face. You eat poop from outside. You know we don't like it when you lick our face. Stop licking me and get off. Your nipples are on me. Your nipples are on me, please. Please. No, 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 no! I don't need your! Oh no, it's gonna fall right on you! Are you joking? Why wouldn't it? Where would it fall? I'm making food right now. I don't want my toast to burn. Oh my god! Where do you think it's gonna go? Do you want me to like catch it in?
Yeah, give me a cup.
Oh god.
Do you have a chancla?
No. Actually, yes. Well, you don't need a cup then if you're gonna do that. Oh my god. Say a prayer.
This is so funny. Ready?
No, no,
Look.
no, no! Ew! Ew! Oh no. What now?
No, now.
Ah, no! No! Oh my god! Ew! Its blood is on the wall.
That is so funny.
That is not that funny. Pleasure doing business with you.
That'll be 10 million.
It'll come in 3 to 4 weeks in the mail.
Okay, cool.